Ito po yung score natin, 25-11, pero Cagayan Valley nakakuha nun. Magsisimula na po itong ating fifth set at ito po yung nangyari sa lamig ko kanina. O, yan, naglalakad lang, natamaan ng volleyball. Ganyan po talaga hazards of the trade, but we are heading to our fifth set. Wala na stats dito. It's who wants it more already at this point.
So, tips from Nobel Zarate, wear a mouthpiece and better eyeglasses pag nanonood ka na.
Saka huwag ka maglakad-lakad lang na hindi tumitingin sa nagwa-warm up. Tipachot starts us off here in set number 5 with a kill. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Napansin natin sa game ngayon, no? Bad game ng isa, dala ang lahat.
Yun.
Good game ng isa, dala mo rin ang lahat.
Right. And now Gata Pantone, of course, big factor din para dito sa Smart Maynila at sa kanyang pagpasok to replace Melissa Goy. Oh! Pinok Cassini, quick play. Eulalio had no chance. Pinok
And she
Cassini.
wants it that bad.
Nagkakaraoke siya doon kanina. Oh, bad reception. Tabakera saves it. Maizo, napalakas. Tandaan din natin what is at stake here for Cagayan Valley. Their 14-game winning streak.
Medyo masakit yun.
Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League. Mas gugustuhin sana ng Cagayan Valley, matalo lang sila sa preliminary round kesa ngayon. Tabakero. Oh, Cassini again!
She is loving that point.
18 points already, tying Kanika Tipachot for game-high honors. Soraya tries to save it. No, she does not. Overreaching. Licasa's the official ball of the Shakey's B-League. Kotruang. Soraya has to chase this. Maizo cross court. Galing. So Aiza Maizo gets a point back para sa Cagayan Valley. Eulalio to put it in play. Gata. De Leon. Combination. Eliza Valdez.
The crowd favorite of today's game.
Bagyong Paldo. Wala sinabi yung Bagyong Santi, yung Bagyong Tino na dumadapli sa Pilipinas. Bagyong Baldo.
Better late than never.
Rexona anti-perspirant deodorant, it won't let you down. 5-2. And that time, Tabakero goes through Cassini. The whole NU volleyball team is here to support Dindin. Eliza. Maizo. Rosas is there. And again, Valdez digs up Soriano. Soraya this time. Going to Maizo. And Gata keeps it alive. Soraya, combination. And that time, Pablo Soraya, dinaan kay Ruby De Leon. Grabe, Listian Gata Pantone. If you did not watch her before, guys, sobrang idol.
Defense, reception. Nobel kanina, during the fourth set rather, 100% in reception. Saan pa nakakita ng gano'n, Libero, Noel? 100%.
Cassini! Paalala po muli mga kaibigan, Game 2 is live on GMA News TV on Sunday at 2 p.m. Live po yan. Cassini with a serve. Tabakero. Tipachot, yes!
Well, if you have Tipachot, if you have Cassini and Eliza Valdez, well, katumbas din isang Tipachot sa kabila.
Well, Eliza hasn't been scoring much this game. Pero si Kanika Tipachot, isa na lang pong kalamangan ngayon. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Eliza, babawi. Sabi ni Jonella, no way. Tipachot again. Dug up this time by Kotruang. Eliza into the net. 6-all in the fifth set.
Medyo emotional yung mga players ngayon pag hindi nakakarinig ng dito ng referee.
Yung mga coaches nakangiti na lang eh.
Wala naman silang magagawa eh.
Who wants it more already at this point?
As a coach, training mo, napagsabihan mo during timeout, wala ka na magagawa pagdating sa loob.
Eliza, sinubo kay Soraya. Tipachot out of position. That's a bad set from Pao Soriano. And the crowd now getting behind Eliza Valdez. If you missed it earlier, mga kaibigan, nung second set, o third set rather, naupo si Eliza Valdez in tears as Kanika Tipachot scores again.
Hindi na namumingiti itong si Kanika Tipachot. Pachot Noel. She means business pagdating sa loob ng court.
7-all. Yung kwento pa kay Eliza Valdez, she injured her neck, she injured her shoulder. Nandun siya sa may tabi ni Coach Roger Coraeb, humahagul-gol, but now she is back.
Even better than before her pre-injury, than before her injury state.
What a serve from Pineda. Still kept alive. Soraya to Pachot, and Pachot finds the line. 8-7, Sheila Pineda. De Leon running attack, din. 8-all. Fifth set na po ito. One team is 7 points away from winning game 1. Hindi natin masabi ko sino. Pero one team is 7 points away from winning game 1. Ruby now giving the lead to Smart Maynilad with a service ace.
Cagayan Valley, hindi na nila pwedeng ipamigay pa ito sa Smart Maynilad.
Off the net this time. Soraya, Tipachot again. One team is 6 points away from winning game 1. Tipachot now at the back to serve. Kotruang. Ruby running attack. Din again. Late tumatay si Eulalio at si Tabacero.
Itong si Ruby de Leon Noel, bigyan lang niya ng bigyan yung mga center spikers niya. Highest percentage yan for Smart Maynilad.
Cassini back in front. Maraming salamat again sa mga kaibigan natin sa National University for allowing Din to play here in the championship. And here she goes to serve. Jonella. Back set ngayon, Tipachot off the block, and that will not be contained by Cassini. The Battle of Thailand is ensuing. Tipachot, tinirahan kanina si Cassini. Ngayon, serving si Soraya. Dig naman ang dig si Kotruang. It's just the Battle of Thailand for their respective teams. Gata, De Leon, Cassini, lakas. 11-10, Cagayan Valley.
If Smart Maynilad wants to win, they have to perform well dito sa reception na to.
Soraya, trying to give them a comfortable 2-point lead. Bumalik sa panig ng Cagayan Valley. Soraya now, Eulalio! Soraya now will serve, trying to protect a 2-point lead. 3 points away from winning game 1 and winning their 15th consecutive match. Soraya, Kotruang, Ruby, one-hand set. Papunta rito kay Pino Cassini. Let's take a look at a slow motion replay brought to us by Rexona Anti-Perspirant Deodorant. It won't let you down. Pino Cassini exploding in the 4th and 5th set. Still a 1-point lead for Cagayan Valley. Kotruang, Soraya, Tabacero out of position. De Leon, Roses, Cassini, triple block ngayon. Binuhay ni Gata. Eliza Valdez, Soraya, jump set. Kotruang, Gata gets it across. Quick set, Eulalio. Eulalio!
Matalino ang ginagawa ni Soraya Noel. As you can see, itong Smart Maynilad, kaisipin nila kay Tabacero or kay Maizo pupunta ang bola. Pero kung sino nakakapuntos, hindi nila ini-expect na si Eulalio rin pala.
Well, when at Eulalio, you have to contain her high percentage sa kanyang mga tira. Joy Benito comes in along with Pao Soriano. 2 puntos na kailangan ng Cagayan Valley. Pero 2 puntos din ang inahabol ng Smart Maynilad.
Ito yung mga laro na as a player, hindi mo, you don't mind if you lose kasi alam mo talagang you gave your best.
Pero this is again game 1 of the finals. Oh, into the net goes Joy Benito. And now Sue Roses. Jonella, Soraya, Pao Soriano, Valdez, De Leon, Cassini, Jonella, Soraya, Maizo, bumalik ulit, Benito, here's Tabacero, Gata, De Leon, Valdez, hindi masagip ni Gata. Match point. Tabacero now, the captain, serving for the match.
Well, Tipachot is in front for Cagayan Cagayan Valley. That is not a good news for Smart Maynilad.
Gata. De Leon. Valdez. It's over! Cagayan Valley wins game number 1 of the finals.
They wanted that point, they got that point, and they're one game away for winning the Open Conference Championship.
Hinimatay na si Paula Soraya sa pagod. And again, both teams meeting at the net. What a match this has been.
Actually, napagod din si Soraya, kakatalon. Lahat ng putos ng first set, talagang talon siya, talon Noel.
Shaky play. Eliza Valdez gets denied by a double wall led by Pao Soriano. Cagayan Valley wins their 15th consecutive match and are still undefeated. And now Rina Villamor is with our very deserving Shakey's player of the game.
That's right. Our Shakey's best player is no other than Kanika Patshot. First of all, congratulations to the Cagayan Valley team. Kasama natin din ngayon ang kanyang interpreter na si Samuang. Samuang, can you please interpret what is the best, most challenging part of Game 1 here?
เขาอยากให้รู้ว่าอะไรคือthe best ก็คือเขาเรียกว่าอะไรอ่ะ the best คือดีที่สุดของเกมวันเนี้ยอะไรก็คือการแบบช่วยเหลือแล้วก็แบบมีทีมเวิร์คที่ดีอะค่ะแล้วก็มีความตั้งใจที่ดี She said about our teamwork and Alex said like many people cheering up and then she tried to herself and she just didn't excited but she tried to overcome herself. That's why they win and she would like to say thank you to our teammate and everybody who cheer up in Cagayan team and her teammates too.
All right, thank you so much, Samuang. Thank you also to Patshot, and that's your best player prize. I'll turn you back to Noel and Michelle.
Thank you very much, Pachari Sangmong. Medyo nangamote din sa interpretation, but she still got it done. And so did Kanika Patshot and the rest of Cagayan Valley. They take Game 1 of the finals. On behalf of Rina Villamor and my partner, Michelle Gumabaw, ito po si Noel Zarate. Paalam!